Trying to decide which Disney World resort has the best pool for your group? Then you've come to the right place. Today we're giving you an exclusive look at the pool at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Hey friends, Erika here. Welcome back to our channel. If you're familiar with the Disney World resorts, you know they offer so many different perks and amenities. But, of course, one of the biggest perks to any resort is that pool. So why do we think you're gonna love the pool at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort? Let's dive right in and take a closer look. If you've been around our channel, you know that we love our resort days. They're a great way to decompress from those long park days. When researching a Disney World resort, we always consider the pool because we love a good pool day, and the pool at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort checks all the boxes for a fun-filled day. This pool is themed after an old Spanish fort and has a zero-depth entry, 2 water slides, water cannons, and a shipwreck splash zone. Our boys spent hours splashing around the shipwreck play area while attempting to steer clear of the cascading waterfall from the ship's barrel. When we finally hit the main pool, the 2 water slides were a hit. The smaller one is great for younger kiddos, while the thrill seekers will love the larger water slide. Additionally, the pool deck has a number of seating areas and is close to both Banana Cabanas and Centertown Market. Perfect for ordering a bite to eat or a drink to enjoy poolside as you soak up that beautiful Florida sunshine. Okay, on to the pros and cons. First up, the pros. Many of the moderate category resorts and even some deluxe resorts feature only 1 water slide. This resort pool has 2, and they're so much fun, you guys. We even think this one rivals Yacht Club's water slide. They're perfect for all ages and will keep your kiddos and probably even you entertained for the entire pool day. This play area is perfect for your little kiddos, with 3 different mini slides, a waiting area, and a water barrel. Your little scallywags will love having a play area away from those big kids and all to themselves, as this section is reserved for kiddos under 48 inches tall. While not over-the-top Disney animation style theming, everyone loves a good pirate theme, right? Kids love the fortress style, and the water cannons are super fun too. You'll definitely feel like a pirate of the Caribbean at this pool. Okay, now let's talk about those cons. This pool is a little on the smaller side, especially given the size of this resort. While there are many other quiet pools spread out in each of the neighborhoods, the main pool is the main attraction, and during peak pool times, it can be really difficult to find any space in the pool. Yep, you probably guessed it. If the pool is small and the resort is big, then you're likely looking at a very noisy, crowded pool, and that's definitely the case here. The pool deck is also relatively small, and with that many people coming and going, this is definitely not the relaxing vibes you may be looking for. If you're looking for a more relaxed atmosphere, try your neighborhood quiet pool instead. Okay, let's face it, the seating at this pool comes at a premium, and in our view, there are only a few choice spots throughout the pool deck that provide clear lines of sight and have decent shade. You'll definitely want to get here early to pick out that best seat. Overall, Caribbean Beach Resort definitely has the edge on the pools category for moderate resorts, with many believing it rivals Stormalong Bay at Disney's Yacht Club. Personally, we loved the 2 water slides, the shipwreck splash zone, and all the theming. Our 7 and 5-year-old boys didn't want to leave, spending the entire day splashing around the shipwreck and cascading down those big water slides. While the crowds and seating presented a challenge and the food options were average at best, we really had a great overall experience. Well, that wraps up our tour and review at the pool at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Make sure you're subscribed to see more of our Disney World content, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up too. We really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!